Well, welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday deals going on right now. So let's dive in. So guys, just a quick reminder, this deal is going on right now through Monday. So you can grab a lot of these deals going on right now. And you can see these are some of the best deals of the year. Spring Black Friday sales. Got some towels there. You also have some Hercules, little trim routers, 80 bucks. Ton of Bauer deals. See these right here for 20 bucks. Different tools. The rotary tool kit right there, 70 bucks. Also have the jigsaw here for 30. Great thing. The rotary polisher sander for 80. I mean, again, great deals right there for Bauer. You have some Apache cases, ammo boxes, and then more Bauer tools. So again, great deals right now on some of these Bauer items. Really good prices, especially if you're interested in some of those. Right here you can see a couple more good deals with the plug-ins. Also some safety glasses there. And then we even have another plug, the 12 power outlet. Little fly swatter here, $2.50. It's really neat. Great right now when it's getting warmer and bugs everywhere. And then we have the Pittsburgh screwdriver set. Got a couple other small fuses here and little masks, some adjustable wrenches there, Warrior angle grinder, 12 bucks, central pneumatic spray gun, plastic welding kit, some Warrior drill bits as well there, a little power bank, always a great thing to have or give to someone, steam cleaner, 25 bucks, another Bauer tool here, pressure washer. I like that one. 1800 PSI is a solid one right there for 70 bucks. Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile jack here. Great thing to check out there. $72 off of that. Little parts holder. More plier sets here. And also some wrench sets, 20 bucks. And even some little blades here from Doyle. They have a good sale going on as well. I'll show you those. Little tape measures, a couple different chargers and maintenance kits there, some blades from Bauer. We got some tape, electrical tape, 5 bucks, $1 here for these funnels. Got some lights and some batteries. Great little things to pick up there. We even have some more towels. Got the Pittsburgh set right there. I think I'll show you that in a minute. Got some other Pittsburgh tools. Any one of those. Heat gun, probably cheapest heat gun you can find. More shop towels here for 2 bucks. We got some lights, little off-road lights. Got the trailer hitch, $22. Triple ball there. Great setup with that one. And then the tarp as well for 3 bucks. It's a great little thing to check out. Pretty good deals on all of those right there. Then they had a bunch of their little power stations for Predator on sale. See this one right here for $2.50. A little bit larger one, or excuse me, actually the solar panels for 100 bucks. And then here is what it actually looks like. I wanted to show you just the setup. Pretty great thing to grab yourself. And then I feel like these are always on sale, but they have it right now on the Spring Black Friday sale. Right there for some of these Earthquake XTs. Apex winch on sale, right under 500 bucks there, $480. 12,000 pound option there. They also have the Badlands 9500 for $280 there, and 5,000 as well for $150. So again, really good deals on those. Steam cleaner kit, 99 bucks. So if you need one, great thing to grab. And then the little handheld steam cleaner, which we saw up front, a little bit cheaper price. Got the farm jack, 80 bucks. Snag you one of those. Great thing to pick up right there. And then this is one of the bigger deals, 30% off. You can see this right here, all elastic ratcheting and E-track tie down. So 30% off of these. You can just see all the different ones they have right here, all different type of straps and tie downs and hooks and zips and all kind of stuff right here. You can see everything they have. You get 30% off of these. So again, it's a great time to snag a lot of these. There were people grabbing some of these while I was in there. But you can see all the different prices in the sales. So 30 bucks off of that is a pretty good deal, pretty good price, because you always need some of these for everything you can think of, especially working and keeping them in your truck and stuff. Then also down here they had some of these chains as well for 25 bucks. Little Bauer option here, automatic drum there, 3 hundo, so good price. The inverted generator here, 600 bucks from Predator. You see this 5,000 watt there. So another option, yeah, this one's the 400 bucks. McGraw 8-gallon air compressor for 135. You also have the 3-gallon air compressor for 55. 21% off of that one. Got some brake cleaner here. Could save a little bit, right under 5 bucks. Also the Merlin rubber air hose, 30 bucks on that. Great thing to check out. You can also grab this Merlin option right here, the retractable air hose for 75 bucks. And then also the little rubber air hose, different setup right here for 15 bucks. Just another look at the McGraw options. They had a couple different ones of these, so if you need any air tanks, great time to grab you one. See all the different ones right here. So a bunch of prices, and they had the hot dog and the hamburger style, whichever one, or pancake, excuse me, whichever one you want. Also had the Fortress on sale as well, 130. Little bottle jacks here for 25 bucks. So again, if you need one of those. And more socket sets and little ratchets here, 18 bucks. The auger, 170. I've been needing one of these for a project I want to do. I was eyeing this one right here. Save 60 bucks on that. Portland chainsaw, 150. Pretty good deal on that one. And the pole saw as well on sale for 50 bucks. You see the pole saw right there. And then they also had the cordless power tools and batteries and starter kits, 12, 20, and 80 volts. 30% off of those as well. So you can see all of these Bauer, Atlas options here. I'll show you some Hercules in a minute, but a bunch of different ones on that, bunch of different sales and deals. Also had the cart here, a little utility cart. And they had the Atlas lawnmower, $239. Self-propelled lawnmower there with some batteries. And the auger, different brand from earlier, but again, another auger on sale. So great thing to check out there. And they even have the auger bit here. And we saw the Predator as well earlier. Ammo can, saw this one a few minutes ago, 3 bucks for the ammo can. Great thing to pick up. Then we have the backpack sprayer, 4-gallon here for 20 bucks. Pretty good deal right there for that one. Only 20 bucks. And then also the little bit smaller one, but more of the handheld there. And we saw the pressure washer earlier, but 70 bucks, really good price for that pressure washer there. 1800 PSI. Going to do a good job. And then we had the 2300 PSI for 190. So a little bit more heavy duty option there. Little spray nozzles. Great thing just to grab while you're there. Probably not something you're going to run up there and get. Had the diesel can, 19 bucks. I remember these were sold out when we had some bad weather. Little options right there. We saw these earlier. Or Badland Road Jack, 3-ton. We have the vehicle ramp set, 40 bucks there. Also, just want to let you guys know, I will have some of these links down below. You can check them out down there. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. Another Daytona little wheel dolly here. The floor jack, 98 bucks, 3-ton. Option for that one. And then we have multiple different color setups right there. See this one, the Pittsburgh 3-ton, 97, and then we also right here have the Daytona 3-ton for 170. So you have different colors options for those too. So whichever one of those you might be interested in, great thing to pick up. Avanti, a little painter. We've seen this on sale a lot of times, but it's a great thing to check out. 190. We also have a little screw extractor set from Icon, 50% off right there, 25 bucks. US General mini steel toolbox. These are great little things to grab semi-recently, but you can check those out. Different colors, different options for those. Fun little things to keep on your desk. Another 35% off all Icon, Doyle, and Quinn pliers and screwdrivers. So again, grab some of these deals right now. Some of the big deals going on are these pliers and screwdrivers, so you can check some of those. And like I mentioned, I'll try to have some links for some of these items down below as well, so you can check them out down there. But pretty good deals on those. You can snag you some, depending on what you might need and what you might want. So they have all different types of pliers and all kind of stuff, screwdrivers and different things. So super specific stuff. US General roll cab here, 800 bucks. Again, you get to choose your colors. See all the different color options and variants. Great little things there. More of the screwdrivers here from the different brands, 35% off of these. So again, depending on which one you might need. Always great to have plenty of screwdrivers and stuff around. Got the cart here, 90 bucks. Good deal on that one. Apache cases, we saw this earlier, but they're $40. They also have the long case. I'll show you that in just a moment. But they have both of those. Super glue, $1. 51% off of that. It's funny. Saw some electrical tape earlier up front as well. Yukon solid top, little mobile cart here. I like that one. 300 bucks. Solid price on that. More wrenches for Pittsburgh. Good deals on those. 170 again for this tech cart here. 60 bucks off of that one. So again, if you need one, have multiple colors in those as well, so you can choose your colors. We saw some of these earlier, but you can grab some of these torque wrenches. 13 bucks. And the Quinn has their digital torque wrench, 140. Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, 170. So a really good price on that one. Again, a lot of options. And then they had a couple different options right here in the titanium. You can see this one right here down, $349. We saw that earlier, the plastic welding kit for 10 bucks. Then another titanium as well for 119. This is the Flux 125 option. Again, whichever one you might need for what you're going to be doing. Again, heavy duty compared to small or lighter duty welding. Also have some welding helmets here. And then we saw the folding hand truck for 25 bucks. We also see the 800-pound capacity hand truck. It's going to be the one down below, but you can see that. Again, solid deal on these. If you need a little hand truck for the house, save your back. I had a bunch of hammers on sale, 45% off of this. So again, another great deal right there for that one, depending on what you might need. Bauer steel adjustable sawhorse, so 50 bucks on this one. So again, if you need one of those little sawhorses, great thing to grab. Here's the Apache case I was talking about, the long case, 100 bucks. Good deal for that one. So again, get some solid deals. Got some earmuffs, 5 bucks. While you're there, you can pick some of those up. Again, we saw this this is the other folding sawhorse, a little bit cheaper option for 20 bucks there. And then we also see another deal right here for the Central Machinery sawhorse, 10 bucks. Hard to beat that. 40% off all Braun lights. This is another one of the big deals. So again, a bunch of deals, or a bunch of lights on sale. Anything from shop lights to flashlights to work lights, all kind of stuff like that. Braun has some great light setups, but depending on what you might need, all kind of options for these. You can see those right there. Great setups on these here. A lot of good deals. 40% off is a great deal for those. We saw the batteries earlier. Just wanted to show you all these batteries that are on sale. And then here's a couple of different moving dollies. Have the one here for 25 bucks. Also the wooden one for $13. Good deals for those. We have some of the pneumatic tires, 6 bucks. Hadn't seen a lot of those on sale recently. Hercules, again, the charger I was talking about earlier. Saw some of those on sale. And then we also have the shop towels. Again, great thing for 2 bucks there. Working in the shop with those. And then we saw this trim router, 80 bucks. I think we might have seen that earlier, just trying to show you every deal I could, going throughout the entire store. Ratcheting clamp there. And then all Hardy gloves, 40% off. That's a really good deal. I was really looking at some of those gloves. Thought they were really good options. Looking at some camo and work gloves as well. So really like these. Hardy's a solid brand. They got all kind of different ones for some really intense ones and also some, just everyday use ones as well. So you can check those out. Then we also see a little polisher here. Check that one out. I think we saw this earlier as well. And then we see a bunch of these Hercules batteries. We were talking about 30% off of those as well there. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. I'll have some links for some items down there. You can check them out. And if this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.